So a lot of cloud cover and a couple of showers have left us pretty cool for the evening, which is exactly where we should be at for this time of year, given that we're entering our third week of January, going into the fourth week, believe it or not, by next week. So absolutely crazy. Hard to believe how fast it's going by. Most of those showers have stayed well to the east of our area. A few thunderstorms right along the border between Louisiana, but most of which have just stayed really in the Brazos Valley. Couple little sprinkles here and there. Nothing was actually able to really make it to the ground other than, again, just shifting the dirt around on your car. Those clouds, they're going to be staying in the forecast throughout the overnight hours. So that means tonight, well, we're actually going to be a little bit on the warmer side. I got lows in those mid 40s, so certainly staying above the freezing point for this time. 20% chance of rain. Keep in mind, most of that is going to be during the early parts of the morning. I'm talking right around 2 a.m., 3 a.m., going until about 7 a.m., but that's still during the overnight hours, so I put in a 20% chance. By tomorrow, the 30% chance of rain is back, but that's just going to stay to the southern and the far eastern counties across much of central Texas. Winds are going to stay relatively calm. Temperatures pretty similar to what we saw today, given the fact that, well, got a lot of clouds, then we have a little bit of that rain. But actually, it's going to be clearing out pretty quickly. So by tomorrow morning, you're going to start to see a couple of those scattered showers, again, most of which not really having a large impact across the region. The cold front comes through. Look at that. By the afternoon, clear skies going right into our Sunday. So perfectly sunshine days out for our Sunday. That's exactly what you want to see. Temperatures are actually going to be staying on the cooler side. Now, what about severe weather? Well, you don't have to worry about it. As a matter of fact, the Storm Prediction Center pushed the entire general thunderstorm risk out of the Brazos Valley. It went farther to the east, more along the Gulf Coast. But over the next 5 days, we're going to start to see a lot more rain coming into the forecast. This is a preliminary model showing about 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next 5 days. Now, obviously today we have some light sprinkles, couple isolated showers going into our Saturday, but I see a lot more rain coming into the forecast by Tuesday. That's going to be our next big frontal system pushing into our area. As a matter of fact, we're already up to about 60% chance for those showers. It's still a bit early, so I don't know anything about severity right now, but I'll keep you updated this weekend as soon as we get that information. Temperatures, well, they're going to stay pretty mild over the next few days ahead of that next frontal system. But then when it comes through on Tuesday, look at that. We're going to be dropping down into those mid to possibly low 30s by Wednesday and Thursday. Highs staying in those mid 50s. Certainly chillier than what we've seen, but it's where we should be for this time of year.
Yeah, that is normal if there is such a thing in Texas. All right. Thank you so much, Jordan.